Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. I just did an interview with my eyes closed. I just sparked a blunt.
Hey, what's up? This is Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. I'm going to show you how to play A by Machine Gun Kelly and Lil Wayne. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you find this video helpful, let's get into it. Alright, this song's in drop D. So the four chords you'll need are open, 5, bar on the 5th fret, bar on the 9th, and bar on the 7th. Whole song. Open 5, 9, 7.